Legumes 7. Tips to build muscle. After 50, what to eat, supplements, and effective exercises. Are you over 50 and feel like your muscles are disappearing? Are you noticing your strength fading and wondering if it's possible to regain it? The answer is a resounding yes. You can regain and even increase your strength, overcoming age-related limitations. Muscle isn't just about looks, it's vital for health and quality aging. Don't let frailty dominate your life. Muscle loss isn't inevitable, and with the right tips you can reverse this situation. 1. Engage in regular physical exercise. Physical activity is essential to combat muscle loss with aging. Resistance exercises like weightlifting are particularly effective. They cause small muscle injuries that, when repaired, result in increased muscle mass. It's recommended to combine aerobic exercises for overall health. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of aerobic exercise and 10 to 25 minutes of strength training 4 to 5 times a week. Science shows that regular exercise increases muscle mass and improves physical function. 2. Monitor your hormones. Hormones play a crucial role in gaining muscle mass. Testosterone, for example, is essential for strength and muscle growth. Men with low testosterone levels may consider hormone replacement therapy, but only under medical supervision, as it can carry risks and side effects. Resistance exercises can also naturally help increase testosterone and growth hormone levels. 3. Adjust your nutrition. Proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth. After 50, it's recommended to consume at least 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Foods rich in high-quality proteins such as eggs, yogurt, lean meats, fish, and legumes are ideal. Healthy carbohydrates like fruits and vegetables provide energy for workouts. Adequate protein and calorie intake is vital to prevent sarcopenia, which is age-related muscle loss. 4. Vitamin supplementation. Make sure you're getting essential vitamins for muscle health. Vitamin D, for instance, is associated with muscle mass and physical performance. Sun exposure and supplementation may be necessary if levels are low. Vitamin C aids in collagen and carnitine production, essential for muscles. Omega-3, found in fish like salmon, helps reduce inflammation and improves muscle function. 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. During sleep, the body repairs muscle damage and promotes growth. Aim to sleep 7 to 9 hours per night to ensure adequate recovery. Studies show that lack of sleep can negatively affect muscle protein synthesis and recovery. 6. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive drinking can harm muscle health. Both habits are associated with muscle loss and weakness. Smoking reduces the body's ability to repair muscles and negatively affects blood circulation, while excessive alcohol consumption can interfere with protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Reducing or eliminating these habits can significantly improve your strength and muscle mass. Studies indicate that quitting smoking and moderating alcohol consumption are linked to better overall health and muscle outcomes. 7. Consider supplements. While most gains come from proper exercise, nutrition, and adequate sleep, supplements can offer additional support. Creatine is one of the most effective supplements for increasing muscle mass and strength. It helps provide quick energy to muscles during intense workouts, but is not recommended for people with kidney issues. Whey protein, a fast-absorbing protein, can be especially helpful to ensure adequate protein intake, especially post-workout. Casein, a slower digesting protein, is ideal for providing a continuous supply of amino acids overnight, promoting muscle recovery and growth while you sleep. Studies show that both types of proteins are effective in increasing muscle mass and strength when combined with regular exercise. Combating muscle loss after 50 is possible with an integrated approach that includes regular exercise, hormonal monitoring, proper nutrition, vitamin supplementation, adequate sleep, avoiding harmful habits, and considering supplement use. Science shows that these practices not only help maintain muscle mass, but also improve quality of life and longevity. Staying active and caring for your health holistically is key to aging with strength and vitality. Sarkef, muscle strength test. Assessing your muscle strength is essential for maintaining good health and preventing mobility loss as you age. The SARC-F test is a simple and effective tool to identify potential issues with muscle strength and physical function. Here are the 5 aspects of the test. 1. Strength. Do you have difficulty lifting and carrying 4.5 kilos? Lifting and carrying heavy objects are crucial indicators of your muscle strength. If you struggle to lift something weighing 4.5 kilos, you may be experiencing muscle weakness. This difficulty can impact daily activities such as shopping or housework. Strengthening muscles with specific exercises can help improve this ability. 2. Assistance with walking. Do you have difficulty walking across a room? The ability to walk without assistance is essential for independence. If you need support to walk across a room, it may indicate issues with leg muscles and balance. Regular walks and strengthening exercises can improve mobility and reduce the need for assistance. 3. Getting up from a chair. Do you have difficulty getting up from a chair? Getting up from a seated position requires strength in the legs and core. Difficulty with this simple task may signal significant muscle weakness. Exercises like squats and leg lifts can strengthen the muscles needed for this action, improving your ability to stand up independently. 4. Climbing stairs. Do you have difficulty climbing 10 steps? Climbing stairs is a great indicator of leg strength and endurance. If climbing 10 steps is challenging, it may mean you need to work on your strength and physical conditioning. Resistance training and aerobic activities like walking and cycling are beneficial for improving this skill. 5. Falls. How many times have you fallen in the past year? The frequency of falls is a critical sign of your stability and muscle strength. Many falls may indicate serious issues with balance and muscle weakness. Working on balance exercises and strengthening leg muscles can help reduce the risk of falls and increase your safety in daily life. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can combat muscle loss and improve your quality of life regardless of age. Remember, it's never too late to start. Stay active, eat well, get enough sleep, and take care of your overall health. This way, you'll be on the right path to healthy and active aging.